So this is the oneisall grooming brush replacement head here. So if you've lost yours, is broken, or whatever reason you need a replacement, so this is it here. Now this fits the LM2, which is this one right here. You can look on the bottom. It says LM2 right there at the bottom. So check to make sure that you have the correct model there. So yeah, this is it here. This is the one that has the button there you can press to remove the hair after you've brushed. So you brush like that and then it'll get all sucked up into there. Oh yeah, this is the one that you just attach to the hose right there. Click it in, turn it on, it'll suck it up. So yeah, so as you can see, you just brush your dog like that, give him a brush, it'll grab all the hair, and then when you're ready, press the button to release, and then all the hair will be sucked up. So yeah, if you're looking for the replacement head, this is the one to get.